Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is POOLPURE Pool Filter Cartridge. POOLPURE focuses on bringing great technologies and products to the market that truly provide the cleanest water filtration possible for the health, safety and happiness of every pool and spa owner. POOLPURE Pool and Spa Filter is tested and certified by IAPMO against NSF or ANSI 50. POOLPURE Filter delivers safe and clear purified water to inspire the highest sense of happiness. Enjoy your unique leisure time. If you already know your filter cartridge's part number or the replacement number, you can use the search the part number on our product page to quickly confirm whether the filter is compatible. POOLPURE only uses lead-free and BPA-free materials. Assure you of safe and no-worry happy times. Reinforced end caps are break-resistant and are highly resistant to chemicals commonly found in pool and spa applications. The POOLPURE filter can be used repeatedly after proper cleaning and maintenance, which increases the service life of the pool filter and saves money. For details, let's watch more. Our second best pool filter cartridge is TOREAD Pool Filter Cartridge. TOREAD Pool and Spa Filter is tested and certified by IAPMO against NSF/ANSI 50. The filter with certified safe materials provides you with clean, fresh and clear water. Only select certified filters for your family to ensure the safety, health and happiness of your loved ones. With 25% thicker filtration fabric, heavy chlorine-resistant and break-resistant end caps and reinforced center support, the filter delivers high-powered propulsion flow and crystal-clear water, providing you with a relaxed and healthy enjoyment. Uniformity and high-performance trilobal fabric has 21 to 40% higher capacity compared with common point bond fabric. The trilobal shape of fabric fibers also helps catch particles, increases efficiency without the pressure drop penalty, and helps reduce filter cleaning frequency. TOREAD TRF 8412 filter compatible Hayward Star Clear Plus C1200 or C12002, PA 120M, Unicell C8412 Raw, Filbur FC 1293, AK 7005 South Dakota 00105 South Dakota 01084. Length, 23 1/4 inch, outside diameter, 815 by 16 inch, top and bottom opening, 4 inch, filtration area, 120 square foot. Third in our list is Intex Type A or C Filter Cartridge. These replacement cartridges fit several types of filters. And as a pack of 6 filters, it'll be hard to find a better deal. They're made from Dacron material, which is very durable. These cartridges are great for smaller pumps between 530 GPH to 1500 GPH. Type A filter cartridge Intex filter cartridges are made from Dacron material. They are easy to clean and to replace when necessary, usually after about 2 weeks. Look for the large A on the package to make sure you're getting the right size for your filter. For smaller pumps, 530 gallon per hour, 1500 gallon per hour. Fits pumps with both Type A and Type C filters. For filter pump item numbers that is 58603, 58604, 56637, 56638, 56635, 56,636. Replace filter cartridge with a new one every 2 weeks for best results. Number 4 in our best pool filter cartridge list is Volca Spares Hot Tub Filter Cartridge. This replacement cartridge is designed to fit both pools and spa cleaning systems. It's made from high-quality bonded filtration fabric. And its 50% open ABS cores allow for maximum water flow through the filter, leaving the waters cleaner and safer for you and your guests. Provides clean and clear water by introducing our Type A filter cartridge.
D.I.M. measurement is 4.1 by 3.1 inch, for all spa models using Type A filters, compatible with Best Way, Lazy Spa, Coleman and Salu, Spa.
Premium quality Dacron fabric collects hair, leaves, dust, sediment, sand, etc. Easy to clean and replace. For best results, clean filter cartridges often and replace every few weeks if used heavily. 100% satisfaction products and worry-free customer service from Volca Spares. Our last pick is Intex S1 Easy Set Pool Filter Cartridges. The S1 cartridge filter is sure to keep your Intex Pure Spa water clean and fresh. It is made with easy to clean, heavy-duty Dacron paper, for the ultimate filtration. For maximum efficiency, clean cartridges each week and replace once a month or sooner. Genuine Intex Type S1 filter cartridges. A pair of S1 cartridge filters are sure to keep your Pure Spa jet massage water clean and fresh. It is made with easy to clean, heavy-duty Dacron paper, for the ultimate filtration. For maximum efficiency, clean cartridges each week and replace at least once a month.